Hello, welcome to TechGenMed. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is Xlate. So let's go through the program. So I'm writing this program in fully free format. So for that, I'm taking Shift F7, and then from the very first position, I'm writing star star free. So from this line, whatever I will write, it will be considered as a fully free format. Okay, so now we will see. So before we start with with the explanation of these lines, I will tell you the exact definition of Xlate built-in function. So Xlate built-in function is a function which is used to perform the character to character translation. Okay, so what it will do, basically it takes some input, and then on the basis of their parameter, it will convert the character into some other kind of characters. Okay, so mainly it performs the character to character conversion or translation. So now we will see the lines of code, and then we'll use this Xlate function in this program. So for the understanding purpose, I'm declaring two constant area here that we will be used to use in the function Xlate. So my first constant is upper, which hold the all letters from A to Z in capital, and second constant is for holding the small case letters. So I am here holding letters from A to Z in a small case. Okay, and after that I have declared one variable whose name is string, and it is of character 20 type. Now on line number 13, what we are doing, we are just assigning the value. So as a source string, I'm assigning abcd to this variable string, and then we are just displaying it. So what it will do, it will directly show this as a output abcd. Now we will use and understand the concept of Xlate function. So this is the syntax for Xlate function. So we have to start it with this is my comment area. From here we are using the syntax built Xlate built-in function. So here you can see that firstly we have to write percentage, then Xlate, and then here we have to pass that variable or value from which we want to convert the value. Okay, so let's say if we want to convert it from upper to lower, so here we will pass the constant upper here, which contain letters in uppercase, and after a colon we have to put the second variable or second constant which contains the value of lowercase. So it is as a 2, means it will convert it into this type of translation. So whatever we pass here, it will be translate into that particular form, and after one more colon we will pass the source string on which we want to perform this translation. And there is one more parameter that we can use, that is the start position. So whatever the value we will pass here, it will start the translation from that particular position. Now on line number 21, we are using this Xlate function. So I'm in from parameter, I am passing upper constant which holds the letter in uppercase, and it will be translated to a lowercase variable. So I am passing the second parameter as lower constant. So as we just seen, like we are using these two constant for the translation. Now after the second column we will pass the third parameter, which is string. It is my source string on which I want to perform this translation. And after another column we can pass the starting position. So it is an optional parameter, like if you want to start it from 1, then you can remove this also, but if you want to start it from particular position, then you can pass it here. But for now I am passing it as a 1, because I want to show you that this is also a one parameter that we can pass here. So now what it will do, it will check the each character of my string, and then it will convert it from upper to lower, because it do the character to character translation. How it works, let's say if it finds a in my string, so what it will do, it will check for the corresponding value to this a, so which is small a, so it will be directly converted to that. And in similar way it will convert b to small b, c to small d c, and d to small d. In this way it will convert the entire string. Okay, and after that, just on line number 23 we are displaying the result, and after that we are setting star inlr equals to star on. So this is how we can use the Xlate function. So let's compile and check whether we are getting the correct output. So firstly, I'm showing the exact value, which is ABCD. Now if I hit enter again, so it will show me the value which is converted. So the converted value is small a b c d. Okay, so that's how we use the Xlate function. Now I will show you one more thing. Let's suppose if I want to translate the values but from this position, so what I will do, I will pass my start position as 3. So from third position it will start the translation, remaining position will be kept as same. So here you can see that now it is translating CD, not the AB, because we have passed the position as third. Okay, now there is one myth, like people understand that this is only used for the case conversion, but this is not a true scenario, because we can convert any character to any value. Let's say if I don't want to convert it small case, so I can pass it as a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 1. So these are the some numbers I have assigned to corresponding to the upper value. So, and let's make it as a num. So this is my num constant. So what it will do, it will convert a to 1, b to 2, and likewise. So for that we have to change this variable also, the parameter, from lower to num. Now we will compile it and we'll see the output. So here you can see that now 3 and 4. Why it is started for third position? Because we have passed it. So it converts C to 3 and 4, D to 4, because we have started our position from 3, and if I start it from 1, then it will convert the values like this. So it will, all the ABCD is converted to the 1 2 3 4. So it, now it is clear that it is not only for the character to for converging the lower value to upper value, but we can use this function also for converting particular value to any other form. Let's say if I want to replace it with some symbols, so I can put those symbols here. So whatever the value it will find corresponding to that particular location, it will convert it to that. Okay, so mainly we discuss like what is translate function. So translate function is a character to character translation. It perform character to character translation, and through that function we can convert any particular value to any another particular value or a field. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss some other topics. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.